Explain the concept of lead time in logistics. How does reducing lead time benefit supply chain performance, and what strategies can be implemented to minimize it? Lead time in logistics refers to the duration it takes for an order to be fulfilled from the moment it is placed until it is received by the customer. It encompasses the entire process, including order processing, production, transportation, and delivery. Lead time can vary depending on factors such as product complexity, supplier responsiveness, transportation mode, and distance. Significance of reducing lead time. Reducing lead time offers several benefits for supply chain performance. 1. Improved customer satisfaction. Shorter lead times mean faster order fulfillment and delivery, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate prompt deliveries and are more likely to repeat purchases and recommend the brand to others. 2. Reduced inventory holding costs. Shorter lead times enable companies to maintain learner inventory levels without risking stockouts. This helps reduce inventory holding costs, minimize storage space requirements, and free up working capital for other investments. 3. Enhanced responsiveness to demand changes. Shorter lead times make supply chains more agile and responsive to changes in customer demand, market trends, and competitive dynamics. Companies can quickly adjust production and distribution plans to meet shifting demand patterns and capitalize on opportunities. 4. Lower supply chain risks. Longer lead times increase the risk of supply chain disruptions due to factors such as transportation delays, supplier shortages, or production issues. By reducing lead times, companies can mitigate these risks and improve supply chain resilience. Strategies to minimize lead time. 1. Streamline order processing. Implement efficient order processing systems and workflows to minimize order processing times. Automation tools, such as electronic order management systems, can help streamline order entry, verification, and processing. 2. Optimize production processes. Improve production efficiency and flexibility to reduce manufacturing lead times. Strategies such as lean manufacturing, just-in-time, JIT, production, and agile manufacturing practices can help minimize setup times, reduce production cycle times, and enhance responsiveness to demand fluctuations. 3. Enhance supplier collaboration. Strengthen collaboration with suppliers to reduce lead times for raw materials and components. Work closely with suppliers to improve communication, share demand forecasts, and implement vendor-managed inventory (VMI) programs to streamline replenishment processes and shorten lead times. 4. Optimize transportation and logistics. Choose transportation modes and routes that offer faster transit times and minimize transportation lead times. Utilize express shipping services, consolidate shipments, and optimize delivery routes to reduce transportation delays and improve delivery speed. 5. Invest in technology and data analytics. Leverage technology solutions such as supply chain management software, predictive analytics, and real-time tracking systems to optimize supply chain operations and reduce lead times. Use data analytics to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and opportunities for improvement across the supply chain. 6. Implement continuous improvement initiatives. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within the organization to identify and eliminate sources of lead time variability. Encourage cross-functional collaboration, solicit feedback from stakeholders, and regularly review and refine supply chain processes to drive ongoing improvements in lead time performance. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy optimizing.